Hello friends, I am Muskan. I hope you all are doing well. Today's video is going to be about React Native folder structure. So let's get right into the video. We are going to talk about React Native default folder structure and files which we get from React Native init command for initial setup. Why I am using default keyword here, I will explain this in next video. If we want to know how to create Android and iOS build, we should be familiar with folder structure. For iOS build, we need Mac. Let's start with the first folder, which is __test__. We use it for unit testing. When our project or module is completed, we can use this. We can perform unit testing on an individual method, function, class, module and object. We will learn more about it in upcoming videos. As I told you in the last video, we can build cross-platform apps with React Native. So here we have these folders for Android and iOS. We will use the Android folder for build Android app. Here we have all the necessary files and folders like build.gradle app directory, which holds activities, app icons, assets and many more Android dependencies. And in iOS folder, all the necessary files for Xcode to build an iOS app. The port file describes the dependencies of the target Xcode project. The file should simply be named pod file. The node modules directory is used for build tools. The package.json file in the project folder defines what libraries will be installed into node modules when you run npm install. These dot files used for configuration. We are not going to too deep into these files because these files are not that important for now. We will use .gitignore file for Git version control system. This is the basic structure of this file. I will explain more in the future videos. App.js is the starting point of application that are bootstrapping in index.js. As you can see, it is just a predefined component for React Native. A style sheet is an abstraction similar to CSS style sheets. Instead of creating a new style object every time, style sheet helps to create style object which is further used to reference instead rendering it again. Export default is used to export a single class or function from a script file. The index.js file is the connectors that wired up the JavaScript to native Android or iOS code. App registry is the JS entry point to running all the native application, and app root components should register themselves with app registry. Package.json file created by npm, which is Node Package Manager. It contains all the metadata, dependencies and scripts for the app. Package file lists all the dependencies like modules and packages that are going to be used within our app. If you like my work, please do like, share, subscribe. See you in the next video.